The beauty of e-governance is that a few key stock can bring a smile on faces of 140 crore people of India. Good morning, respected GTO sir and my friends. Today I chose a topic that is e-governance. What is e-governance? E-governance is the application of information and communication technology providing government services. This is known as e-governance. For example, e-administration, e-democracy, e-governance, these type of thing is known as e-governance. Now let's talk about why it is important to talk about the e-governance. The first thing is that just using the e-governance, our government can be the smart government. For example, smart means simple, modern, accountable, responsive and transparent. These type of government needed in India. So that's why it is very important to make our government a smart government. Smart means simple, means the people are able to communicate to the government very easily. They will fill the application and that will reach to the government. Also modern means that the people as well as the officials who are doing the work on the papers, they should shift to the computers. Nowadays it is a time of cyber, so they should shift there. Also we can say that it will be accountable. Those who are not filing the cases, those who are not doing work, so it will they will be accountable for the particular thing. Also it will be the transparent. Basically the person who are not doing the work, that will be clearly transparent by the authority as well as the citizen. It will be available for India, so it will reduce the corruption, transparency, red tapeism. Now let's talk about what is the present status of e-governance. Basically there are four type of interactions are there in the e-governance. The first interaction is that G2, G2B, G2C, G2E and G2G. What is G2B? Government to business. Basically, government is directly connected to businesses by for providing the licensing and the permit for the businesses. So it will also reduce the red tapeism here also. If you talk about the second, the G2C means government to citizen. Citizen are directly able to fill the forms and they will directly get the benefit of it. So the corruption will reduce here. So G2C means government to citizenship. Now let's talk about the third one. The third one is G2G, government to government. It means that government to government means the government is directly able to communicate. The central ministries is able to directly communicate with the state ministries. So the link will be very easy and they will communicate with each other. So it is going to improve infrastructure. Also communication and interaction between both the countries, also both the parties also. Now let's talk about what are the advantages of the e-governance. The first advantage is that the corruption will be reduced. Our governance will be much more efficient, and also we can say that the process will be speed up. The process will be fast, and these type of things will be there in the benefit of e-governance. Now let's talk about what are the challenges of the e-governance. The first challenge is that most of the people in India are the people who used to speak in Hindi, and also they speak Hindi. So ultimately most of the applications are in English, so they face difficulty while doing this technology. So this is one thing. Second thing is that we know that the we know that the e-governance, most of the people in India, there is a digital infrastructure lacking. For example, the rural and the village areas where the technology is not much. So basically people feel one thing is that lack of infrastructure, and second thing they feel that lack of technology. The older people and even those who are very less literate. For example, we can say that 82% male are literate and 68% female are literate. So basically female, which is 32%, so they will face very much difficulty in this process. And also we know that the cyber crime is increasing very high pace. In 2021, 44,000 cases of the cyber crime reported by 54,000 cases of the cyber crime reported by the National Crime Record Bureau. So these type of things are happening, so it became very important to resolve these things. Now let's talk about the solution of the solution of these challenges. The first thing is that the different cyber police stations should be created in each district of India. There are 766 districts in India, and there should be one cyber police station in each district. That will reduce the cyber crime, and also they will help. The second thing is that the help is needed for the people who are not adapt to new technologies. So government should appoint one official or one employee for the particular purpose, and also government should increase the education, and also develop the digital infrastructure in the rural areas also, in the urban areas also, and also increase the literacy rate. So by this way we can counter the e-governance challenges, and in the future the e-governance will be prosper, and also I believe that it will be effective. That's all. Thank you everyone.